एक बहुत बड़ा प्रॉब्लम है कि लोग सही इंसान को ढूँढ नहीं पाते या वो सही इंसान से सही सवाल नहीं कर पाते ताकि उसे समझ सकें।
The kind of quality of questions that one asks is that's the kind of outcome that we're also looking at. A healthy partnership would require that alignment.
Sometimes it's really difficult to accept the differences, and how you can understand that हम किस तरह से इस बात को समझें कि हमें differences को accept करना पड़ेगा to collaborate, to connect.
You don't have to accept it. You can also just be aware of it. If that difference is directly affecting you, then it's important to look ke उस differences के through navigate कर सकते.
Every individual has a past and it's very difficult to let go of past. How to overcome that past?
It's okay to look at the past. It's okay to reflect on it. But it would be detrimental to any relationship if you were to live in that past.
We live in a society जहाँ पे low self-esteem बहुत बड़ा challenge है.
Just developing a sense of self-belief.
I believe a lot of people live in a comparison trap. What would you advise to them कि इसको overcome कैसे किया जाए?
Do you recognize what kind of message are you trying to send across?
A lot of people take certain time to heal up. What are certain guidelines you would like to advise?
Understanding one's own value system and belief system, and the other individuals. What would be an integral part of a healthy relationship is to make an effort.
Thank you so much for taking out time for this mini podcast session which we are doing. Would like to start with your journey in terms of coaching, in terms of your working in the HR sector as well. क्या transitions रही और कहाँ से शुरू और आज कहाँ तक पहुँची है?
Thank you. It's an absolute pleasure to be here. I think coaching तो ख़त्म ही नहीं हुई है. Coaching तो साथ साथ चल रही है. That goes on, and it's something that I'm very passionate about, and it's very close to my heart. And I've worked very hard, I think, over the last 5 years in order to be a certain individual. To show up differently, to be the best version of myself, in order to be able to add value to perhaps organizations, people, leaders, whoever is it that I could. HR की journey, though, I think it just came very unexpectedly. It wasn't something that I was looking for. It wasn't something that I thought that I could do or would do, but it just landed, and I just took a chance.
When it comes to coaching, what do you think? What are your specialized areas? कि मैं इन areas को बहुत ज़्यादा enjoy करती हूँ because this is much needed here because these are like the areas जहाँ पे transformation काफ़ी ज़्यादा दिखाई देती है और हो रही होती है.
So I work with all sorts of individuals, but I specifically enjoy working around communication and relationships, and that's something. And then I do have a part of me that works with leaders who work, in different organizations, but as either one-on-one coaching, but also group sessions. So it depends. Um, I can't really put a finger as to, जैसे होता है कि niche अगर आप कहें तो I think communication and relationships, because relationships professionally and personally are something that interests me, and I work on it. I work on that for myself as
What
well.
would you advise to individuals who come for relationship coaching? Because we live in a society जहाँ पे instant gratification बहुत ज़्यादा है, तो हमारे instant relation और instant breakups भी बहुत ज़्यादा दिखाई दे रहे होते
बिल्कुल.
हैं. A lot of people take certain time to heal up,
Right.
and before that they wanted to consult. They wanted
Right.
to consult a person who can guide the process. कि यार
Right.
इन चीज़ों का ख्याल रखो ताकि तुम उस process को वो कर सको. What do you think? What are certain guidelines you would like to advise and you advise to such individuals who are going through such times, जो इस वक्त से गुजर रहे होते हैं, इस बुरे वक्त से गुजर रहे होते हैं, आप उन्हें क्या गाइड कर रही होती हैं?
I think when it comes to relationships, one of the key things or key factors that I believe, in my opinion, holds a lot of importance is understanding one's own value system and belief system, and the other individuals. So really understanding the other individual's world's view and map and their belief system and their value system, because only then one can actually align to move forward. एक तो ये, और दूसरा आई थिंक because of the kind of uncertain time that we live in and very fast paced, just jahan aapne instant gratification ka bola, I think what would be an integral part of a healthy relationship is to make an effort, whether it's in a professional capacity or a personal capacity. Effort will get the individual to point B.
Instagram की वजह से, especially I would say that Instagram particularly, because I see that a lot of couples, a lot of individuals, a lot of people are sharing reels to their partners, their individuals कि भाई ये देखो
All the
यार,
time.
ये देखो ये क्या हो रहा है दुनिया में और ये देखो. I believe a lot of people live in a comparison loop,
बिल्कुल
comparison trap. They're
बिल्कुल
comparing their relations with other relations, जबकि उनकी कहानी बिल्कुल अलग है और
बिल्कुल
आपकी कहानी बिल्कुल अलग है.
बिल्कुल
And this is one of the major source जहाँ पर challenges आ रहे होते हैं, psychological barriers आ रहे होते हैं और issues आप face कर रहे होते हैं. What would you advise to them कि इसको overcome कैसे किया जाए? This has become addiction these days, मतलब हर कोई इस पे लगा हुआ है और मुझे नहीं लगता कि शायद ही कोई बहुत ही कम ही लोग हैं जो बचे हुए हैं. How do you advise?
So I think advice over there would be to recognize कि अगर आप किसी को वैसे रील भेज भी रहे हैं या किसी को आप कोई इन्फॉर्मेशन पास ऑन कर रहे हैं तो आप उनको क्या बताना चाह रहे हैं, या तो आप इतने एडिक्ट हो गए हैं एक कांस्टेंट रील पे रील देखने के लिए, तो यू वांट टू जस्ट पास कॉन्स्टेंटली पास इट ऑन, तो आपका जो रिटेंशन स्पैन है ना वो तो बिल्कुल ज़ीरो हो गया. सो व्हाट आर यू ट्राइंग टू शेयर विद योर फ्रेंड, पार्टनर, whoever is it that you'd like to share it with, but also the advices कि जो आप शेयर कर रहे हैं वो क्या आपने खुद पढ़ी है, आपने खुद देखी है? बिकॉज बहुत सी दफ़ा ऐसा भी होता है लोग देखे बगैर सिर्फ उसके ऊपर से हेडिंग टाइप पढ़ लेते हैं और उसको आगे फॉरवर्ड कर देते हैं, ये बड़ी अच्छी मुझे लगी और whatever that may be. So I think that is part one. दूसरा part two would be to actually recognize what kind of message are you trying to send across. थर्ड, कंपैरिजन जो आपने अभी बोला, आई थिंक कंपैरिजन आज के लिए, आज से नहीं बहुत अरसे से, हमेशा से इनफैक्ट. सो इट्स रिकग्नाइजिंग सेल्फ बिलीफ एंड trusting in self. That's where I would start, at least.
It's very difficult sometimes, to find the right person in your life. A lot of individuals I met, and since I do get a chance to coach a lot of individuals, in relationships is not my area, so I do not advise much on this particular area कि यार मेरे साथ ये हुआ और मैं इस टाइम से गुजरी या मैं इस टाइम से गुजरा. बट एक बहुत बड़ा प्रॉब्लम है कि लोग सही इंसान को ढूंढ नहीं पाते या वो सही इंसान से सही सवाल नहीं कर पाते ताकि उसे समझ सकें. So what would you think, what are the right questions to ask, to understand कि यार ये इंसान ऐसा भी हो सकता है, to judge someone? Is there any pattern, is there any kind of strategy which you would advise to individuals कि यार कुछ अच्छा या बुरा होने से पहले ये चीज़ की जा सकती है?
That's a really good question. क्योंकि जब the kind of quality of questions that one asks is that's the kind of outcome that we're also looking at. तो जहाँ हम questions की बात करते हैं वहाँ मैं बहुत दफ़ा बोलती हूँ कि why is a very low quality question. कि अगर आप why पूछें तो आप ऐसा लगता है you're digging your own rabbit
Very
hole
true.
basically, and you keep going down and it's a spiral that keeps taking you down, unless कि वो why question जो है वो in the context of पूछा जाए. But if you're asking a question, I think the questions should be on what, how, when, where. And like I mentioned earlier, I think it's essential to understand कि value system और belief system से ही शुरू किया जाए. Strategy तो बहुत बात की बात है. That comes in much later. Everything can be put into a strategy. The strategy to communicate, the strategy to make an effort, the strategy to love. We all run these strategies. ये हम run करते हैं, but they also run on core belief systems and core value systems. तो अगर हम अपने core values और belief systems को समझें या समझ ही ना पाएँ या अवेयर ही ना हो, तो हम then how do we plan on understanding or maybe even recognizing the other individual? Because a healthy partnership would require that alignment.
Sometimes it's really difficult to accept the differences, in relationship.
Yeah.
Every individual has different opinion.
बिल्कुल.
There are certain differences. When you're spending a time with a partner, or even in the corporate world, you see a
Right.
lot of collaborations we do have the differences.
बिल्कुल.
How you can understand that? हम किस तरह से इस बात को समझें कि हमें differences को accept करना पड़ेगा to collaborate, to connect?
Um, Oh my God, such great questions. um, I think differences क्योंकि सब में है और हर सिचुएशन में है, हर जगह पाए जाते हैं। बहुत सी दफ़ा लोग I mean, in conversations, I think when people are sitting in the room as well, they're like, it's very hard to accept it. So I often say, you don't have to accept it. You can also just be aware of it and only recognize it in the capacity ke we have this difference or I have this difference. And if that difference is directly affecting you as an individual or hurting you or is coming in between a relationship, between a partner or between two people or between a collaboration or an organization, whatever, or teams or team members, then it's important to look ke उस differences को या difference को हम किस तरीके से उसके थ्रू navigate कर सकते हैं. I think navigate is the right word,
Very beautiful.
right? But not, it's okay to not accept it because acceptance का it becomes very challenging as well for certain people. It is, like you said, it's difficult,
different.
right?
This is a very difficult question, and not a very difficult one, but for to understand it's very difficult. I think
Yes.
इसका जवाब समझना बड़ा मुश्किल है. सवाल बहुत ज़्यादा पूछा जाता है, लेकिन
बहुत
इसके जवाब को एक्सेप्ट करना बड़ा मुश्किल होता है.
बिल्कुल.
And it's that कि बहुत से लोगों का एक past होता है.
Hmm.
Every individual has a past, and it's very difficult to let go of past.
Yeah.
एंड मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि आगे बढ़ने के लिए, कहीं पहुंचने के लिए, कहीं से निकलना या कहीं से अपनी जान छुड़ाना बड़ा ज़रूरी होता है. एंड बहुत से लोग ये नहीं कर पा रहे होते हैं, वो पूछ रहे होते हैं, दे आस्क क्वेश्चंस एंड दे डू गेट स्टक इन दैट पास्ट एंड दे कैन नॉट एबल टू सी दैट फ्यूचर जो कि उनके सामने होता है. व्हाट वुड यू एडवाइस टू सच इंडिविजुअल्स, हाउ टू ओवरकम दैट पास्ट?
गाड़ी का रेयर व्यू मिरर देखा है आपने? कितना छोटा है. It's smaller, much smaller than the one that's in front of us. So it's okay to look at the past. It's okay to reflect on it. It's often also okay to feel emotions which come up looking at that past or reflecting or thinking about it. But it would be detrimental to any relationship if you were to live in that past. क्योंकि हम सबसे पहले तो हमें प्रेजेंट में जीना सीखना है.
सही है.
आई थिंक हम प्रेजेंट को एक्नॉलेज करें, प्रेजेंट को एक्सेप्ट करें और उस प्रेजेंट के साथ हम आगे बढ़ें क्योंकि गाड़ी आगे ही जाती है, राइट? आई मीन यू कैन गो इन रिवर्स एंड यू कैन change the route, change the direction perhaps if you want to or should you choose to. But essentially we want to move forward. So I think I also often do not use the word advice because जब आप किसी को advice दें तो वो भी उनकी मर्जी है कि वो सुने या ना सुने. So often I say, should one choose to actually even hear me or even, perhaps give me a moment to share my opinion or my thoughts, and then they can make their own decision and then they can make their own choices because हर किसी के पास वक्त है choice to access to sort of access the choice that they would want to make.
You might have seen this that बहुत से लोग एक गलती के बाद ना एक ही गलती बार बार कर रहे होते हैं. उन्होंने एक इंसान से बहुत कुछ सीख लिया होता है, लेकिन उसके बाद भी वो दोबारा वो गलतियां करते हैं.
बिल्कुल.
How do you see this behavior? Why people keep repeating that similar mistake?
I've been that person as well. I've made plenty of mistakes and I said, oh my God, should I've made this mistake again? और हम इसलिए कर रहे होते हैं because या तो वो हमारे एक हैबिट बन गई है, ठीक है, एक जो पैटर्न डेवलप हो गया है और पैटर्न से ब्रेक आउट या ब्रेक फ्री करना, उसमें भी एक एफर्ट की ज़रूरत है, उसमें भी एक पॉज की ज़रूरत है, उसमें भी एक रिफ्लेक्शन की ज़रूरत है. एंड परहैप्स perhaps being facilitated by other people who may know better than one person does at that moment in time. And I think a lot of people also repeat the mistakes because either they've not learned that lesson at that point in time. The day that we learn the lesson, जहाँ तक मेरी knowledge है, जहाँ हमें समझ में आ गया कि यार this is the reason, then perhaps the next time we perhaps maybe pause just a moment before making that same mistake again, or maybe reflect. I don't know. It depends. It differs from people to people.
We live in a society जहाँ पे low self esteem बहुत बड़ा challenge है.
Hmm.
A lot of individuals have a lot of potential but they do get wasted just because उन्हें लगता है मैं नहीं कर सकता, मेरे बस की तो बात ही नहीं है. वो अपने आप को उस जगह पे देख नहीं पा रहे होते हैं. And there are so many factors towards, you know, culture, family background, education sector, corporate world में बहुत सी politics, बहुत सारी चीज़ें हैं. It's low self esteem को किस तरह से overcome करके उन्हें उस जगह पर पहुँचाया जहाँ से पहुँचने की ज़रूरत है.
आई थिंक लो सेल्फ इस्टीम के साथ साथ लो सेल्फ वर्थ भी है, राइट? तो आई थिंक हमें बचपन से फॉर द न्यूअर जनरेशन perhaps and even for adults at this point in time, it's important to perhaps start trusting oneself and also perhaps um, just developing a sense of सेल्फ बिलीफ. एंड आई थिंक जो आपने अभी सवाल कहा है वो उसमें हम चाहे कितना भी अपने आप पे काम कर लें, कभी ना कभी हमें भी ऐसी फीलिंग होती है. आई मीन आई वर्कड ऑन माई सेल्फ एंड आई कंटिन्यू टू वर्क ऑन माई सेल्फ, लाइक आई से, यू नो, मैनी टाइम्स, एंड यू ऑल्सो प्रॉब्ली हर्ड सो मेनी टाइम्स दैट वी आर कंटिन्यूसली लर्निंग. हम जिंदगी में हर वक्त सीखते रहेंगे और सीखते ही चले आ रहे हैं. तो बहुत सी दफ़ा ऐसा होता है, समटाइम्स आई एम ऑल्सो फीलिंग द सेम थिंग, यू नो, what if I'm saying something and that's not good enough for this gathering, or what if the person who spoke before me, you know, was better than me? So there are certain ways I think one can overcome that is, and to begin with, is to just recognize one's own strength. पहले अपनी strength को own करें और उसको recognize करें. तो recognize पहले करें, फिर own करें, and then just believe in it and believe in yourself to begin with. I think बच्चों के साथ भी ऐसे ही करना चाहिए, because we often, you know, forget to cheer them on and forget to tell them that, you know, that they can do it, or that nothing is impossible for them. So I do that a lot with my kids, and I say that a lot, you know, that nothing's impossible. And ठीक है, सही है, there are times that you can be put in a challenging situation or a difficult situation, and both those words hold very different meanings. But I'm sure that you can overcome it. And the days that you can't seem to overcome that situation, that's okay. You can try it next time. It's all right. It's all right to feel, you know, whatever is it that you're feeling at that moment, because you know that you might be able to get another chance. And if you can't, for example, create one.
Very quick questions, and I'm expecting some quick answers.
Yeah.
What is that one particular thing that frustrates you most कि यार ये चीज़ मुझे बिल्कुल नहीं पसंद और ये चीज़ मेरी लाइफ में नहीं होनी चाहिए
मेरी जिंदगी में या जनरली आप पूछ
आपकी
रहे हैं?
ज़िंदगी में?
I can't think of anything. I'm quite satisfied. I'm happy.
Makes
Alhamdulillah.
sense. Moving towards forward, I think there's so many skills when it comes to career growth, communication, management. There's so many ones. Would think that one skill that everyone should prioritize and should give time to that one particular skill.
I think working on themselves, and that to begin with, I think that's the beginning of anything. पहले अपने आप को समझें. To be able to get somewhere, one has to recognize one's own strength
बड़ा
and
कॉमन
weaknesses.
सवाल है, अपने आप को समझें. बहुत ज़्यादा पूछा जाता है, बहुत ज़्यादा लोग जानना चाहते हैं अपने आप को. I think a lot of individuals I met, they lack depth
Yeah,
just because they lack purpose.
yeah,
They lack, उन्हें समझ नहीं आ रहा होता कि जाना कहाँ है.
right.
How would you advise and how would you answer to this question कि अपने आप को कैसे समझें?
अपने आप को ऐसे समझें कि पहले अपने वैल्यू सिस्टम्स को समझें, अपने बिलीफ सिस्टम को समझें, और ये समझें कि अगर आपको, जैसे भी आपने कहा पर्पस, आई थिंक दैट वर्ड इज़ अ वेरी की वर्ड, कि हर चीज़ का पर्पस है ना. हर इमोशन का, हर लाइफ की चॉइस का, हमें जहाँ पे भी जाना है उस जगह का पर्पस है. ओके, वी आर गोइंग टू दैट प्लेस फॉर अ पर्पस, और वी आर गोइंग टू दैट इंडिविजुअल और गोइंग टू वर्क फॉर अ पर्पस. वी आर वर्किंग फॉर अ पर्पस एज
Very
वेल,
true.
right? So what is that purpose? That purpose is also connected to understanding oneself as well. कि अगर मुझे, if I'm hungry for growth, what's the purpose of that growth? It's because I would like to give it back to community. That is one of my values that I want to give back. So I'm hungry for it, for myself, but also because I want to give back. So understanding that purpose as well.
I was watching a podcast in conversation between Vishan Lakhiani and Jay Shetty. A very wonderful line said by Jay Shetty that if you wanted to go fast, You need to go
Go
deep
slow.
first.
And go
So
slow.
the point is that going deep and going slow is very important these days, because if you lack depth, you lack excellence.
Hmm.
So how to build a depth? What do you think? किस तरह से उस डेप्थ को बिल्ड किया जा सकता है? किस तरह से अपने आप को आप एक ट्रिपिकल लाइफ से एक एक्सेलेंस की तरफ मूव कर सकते हैं?
Uh, with patience, and also knowing that failure is just the beginning,
Yeah.
and that it's okay to fail as many times as one can.
Thank you so much, Meher,
Thank
for
you.
taking out some time, and I would love to have in-depth conversation sometime. And I think there's so much that you can offer, and you do offer as a coach.
Oh, thank you.
I've seen your work and wish you all the luck in
Thank
the
you
HR
so-
domain as well.
Thank you so much for having me.